Hello, student friends. Welcome to Let Us Learn BEE YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss experiment number 2 in basic electrical engineering. That experiment name is two-way lamp connection, or otherwise it is a staircase wiring. So it has two names. It is used. This wiring is mostly used in the staircase. So it is named as a staircase wiring. Now we are going to discuss the aim, apparatus required, theory of this two-way lamp connection. So here the aim of this experiment is we are having that it to conduct an experiment to realize two-way control of lamp and form a respective truth table. So this is the aim of this experiment. Then apparatus required. It needs two-way switches. The quantity is 2 and it need one more lamp. The quantity is 1. So the theory of this experiment is a switch is an electrical component that can make or break an electric circuit, interrupting the current or diverting it from one conductor to another. The mechanism of the switch removes or restores the conducting path in a circuit when it is operated. So this is the theory of this experiment. Following that, now we are going to see how the switch construction is there. See, this is the front view of the switch and then side view and back view of the switch. So the two-way switch, it has three terminals as shown in the figure. It is having three terminals. One is common, that is at point 1, and common and point 2. So three terminals are there. The main supply is connected to this common, and from common it may be connected to 1 or it may be connected to 2. When the switch is in on position of this 1, at the time the supply is given to this terminal. When the switch is on to this terminal, that is terminal 2, the supply will be given to this terminal 2. So like this switch will be operate. So this symbolic representation, it shows that it is a two-way switch. Or some other cases, here the double line will be given in the switches. So this is the top view, side view and back view of the two-way switch. So it has three terminals. Now let us discuss the circuit diagram of two-way lamp connection. So it has two terminals. One is called as a phase, another one is called as a neutral. And then the supply which is given for the circuit is 230 volt, 50 hertz, single phase AC supply. And the phase, in this phase, we are connecting one fuse. The fuse is a protecting device which limits the current, which makes the circuit in normal condition and breaks the circuit in abnormal condition. So S1 is a switch 1, that is two-way switch 1, and S2 is a two-way switch 2. So this terminal is a common for S1 and this terminal is a common for S2. So as already we discussed, the two-way switch, it has three terminals. That is a terminal A, terminal B for and common. These are the terminals for S1 and terminal C and terminal C, D and common are these are the terminals for S2. Say for example, when the terminal common which is connected to the terminal A like this and the common of the S2 which is connected to the terminal C like this. So the current will flow from phase it gives supply to the terminal A and from terminal A it will go to the terminal C and it reaches the common of S2. From S2 it will give the supply towards the lamp. Once the supply is given to the lamp it starts to glow. And then again the current will flow from the lamp, it will flow towards the neutral. So neutral is a written path. Neutral is used to complete the circuit. Imagine the circuit without neutral, the circuit it becomes open. So the lamp doesn't glow. So this is one case. Another case, when the terminal B is connected to the common of S1 and the terminal D is connected to the common of S2. At the time the same like the current will flow from phase and it will go to the common terminal of S1 and it will go to the terminal B and from B it will go to the D2 common of S2. Then it is given to the lamp. From the lamp it come to the neutral and the circuit it becomes complete. So at the time also the lamp it starts to glow. So this is the explanation about the circuit diagram of two-way lamp connection. Now we are going to discuss the truth table of two-way lamp connection. So in this, here it is given the truth table. This terminal is a common for S1 and this terminal is common for the S2. So when the terminal A is in the A for S1, it is connected, and the terminal C of S2 is connected. So here from the common, it is connected to A, and from C it is connected to the common. So at the time the current will flow from the phase and it is keep on flowing towards the common, and once it reaches the common position the current will flow in this direction and it gives the supply to the lamp. So once the supply is given to the lamp it starts to glow, and then finally the remaining current, it will, that is the rest current, it will flow towards the neutral, and the circuit will get complete. So the neutral part is to complete the circuit. So next case, at the time this lamp it starts to on. So here the tracing of the path is from phase, it will go to the point A, that is a terminal A, and terminal C, and it come to the lamp, and lamp to neutral it will go. So it is denoted PACLN. P stands for phase, A is a terminal A, and C is a terminal C of S2, and L is the lamp, and N is the neutral. Then for the second case, when S1 it is connected to the A and S2 which is connected to the D, at the time we will see what will happen. So when the S1 it is connected to A in this position, and S2 which is connected to D. So this is the connection D terminal of S2. So the current will flow to A and then it will flow up to this terminal. But here it is open. Here there is no connection between C and this terminal. It is open because the switch is connected like this. So at the time the current doesn't flow to the lamp. So lamp it becomes off position. So we don't get the supply of the lamp, supply to the lamp. So the lamp will be in the off position. So the current will flow in the from phase to common of S1, that is A, and from A to C. So after C it doesn't flow because it is an open circuit. Now the case 3, when the switch A, that is S1, switch S1 is connected to the terminal B, and S2 is connected to the terminal D. So at the time this is a for terminal B. So from here it is connected to B, and this is the terminal D. From D it is connected here. So the current will flow in this direction. It will go to B, and from B to D, D to it will go to the lamp. It will go towards the lamp, and from lamp, once it reaches the lamp it starts to glow, and then the current will flow in the return path to the neutral. So at the time the lamp is in the on position. This is the tracing path of the current. And then fourth case. So in the fourth case, when switch S1 is in the position, it is connected to the terminal B, and S2, when S1 is connected to the terminal B and S2 is connected to the terminal C. So here the terminal B is connected, and then from terminal here it is connected to the terminal C. But the current will flow up to this direction. Up to this point the current will flow. After that it becomes an open circuit. So at the time the lamp, we don't give supply to the lamp. So lamp will be in the off condition. So the tracing path of this fourth condition is, that is the fourth cases, the current will flow up from phase to terminal B of the S1, and it will go up to the terminal D. But the terminal D, it is the open condition. It is an open circuit. So at the time the current doesn't flow to the lamp, so lamp will be in the off position. So this is the circuit diagram and truth table of the two-way lamp connection or staircase wiring. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.